Facing trouble with Roblox lag spikes? Then you're on the right video. Today I'm gonna show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. First thing first, check whether the server is down or not. So move into Safari. In the address bar, you need to search for Roblox outage. Now head over to this site. In this site, you will be able to see whether the server of Roblox is down or not. In case if the server is down, then all you can do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once the server has been fixed, you might be good to go. If not, head over to the App Store on your device. In the search bar, search for Roblox. Move into this app. Make sure the application is up to date. If not, tap on Update and update the application. Once you've got the updated version, now move into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, you need to head over to General and then move into iPhone storage. In the space, search for the application Roblox. Once found, click on it. Tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It will be clearing your cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.